Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet phone bag. I used an F hook and medium worsted yarn, and it measures about 4 inches across and about 5.5 in the length. You can always go up or down on the hook size if you need to make this bigger or smaller. If I'm going too fast, there is a link down below on how to place your video in slow motion, and there's a playlist on beginner stitches that can help you. Okay, so let's get started. And to get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 16. So yarn over and pull through. And this is the width, so you can see if this will be wide enough for your phone. Now in the second chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet. So 1, 2, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and complete until you get to the end of the row. It's going to look like this, and at the end of the row, work 3 single crochet. And then in this stitch here, work a single crochet. Work it until you get to the end. Just work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, at the end here, you're going to slip stitch and then chain 3. It's going to look like this. And then you're going to double crochet in each stitch around. So yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then double crochet until you get to the beginning. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the chain 3. It's going to look like this. And then you're going to chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. And then chain 1, and then you have a stitch here, you're going to skip and go to the next one and work 2 double crochet together. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1, and then skip and go to the next stitch and do the same thing, 2 double crochet together. And then chain 1, skip and go to the next and work your 2 double crochet. Now slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work your 2 double crochet in each chain space together, 2 double crochet together. And then chain 1. So repeat in between each space, work 2 double crochet together. Repeat that around until you get to the beginning. So now you're back at the beginning. You're going to slip stitch in to that beginning stitch right in here. This was from the previous single crochet and then double crochet. So slip stitch into it, single crochet into the chain space, chain 1, double crochet, and that's how you'll start each time. And you're going to make 9 rounds altogether, so you have 2, you need 7 more rounds, and you're going to work your 2 double crochet together with your chain 1, and then chain 1, and then work 2 double crochet together. You'll work this until you get to the beginning, and then when you get to the beginning here, slip stitch into it, and then single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then each 2 double crochet together gets a chain 1 after. Repeat that around until you have 9 rounds. So now to end, you're going to slip stitch into this, and then you can single crochet in the chain space, and then single crochet in the stitch, and then the chain space in the stitch, and then you're going to repeat that around until you get to the beginning. You're at the end again, and you're back at the beginning. You're going to slip stitch, and then in each single crochet, just work a single crochet until you get back to the beginning. You can use a stitch marker. And now you're going to slip stitch, and you can fasten off and weave in your ends. Take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Now you're going to take your yarn, and right on the side you can slip stitch it in. This is going to be the strap, and then you're going to work your chains. Okay, so on the other side I'm going to slip stitch. On the other side I'm going to slip stitch. And then slip stitch into the next stitch. And then I'm going to work a single crochet in each chain across until I get to the other side. I did 170. You might need it shorter or longer depending on how long you would like it. And then you just work it all the way to the other side. At the end here, I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch and then fasten off and weave in my ends. Okay, your phone bag is complete. You can place your phone right inside. If you want this longer, you can just make more rounds. And this is what it looks like. It turned out really nice. I hope you enjoyed this crochet phone bag, and the pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.